Hi, welcome to our Trade Forex essay review of HFM, or formerly Hotforex. In this review, I'm going to walk you through the highlights and why we have rated HFM as one of our best brokers for South African traders. Firstly, HFM has an excellent reputation. It is regulated by a number of global authorities, including the FCA of the UK, which is a top-tier regulator. It is also regulated by the Financial Sector Conduct Authority of South Africa, as you can see here on their license. This means that South African traders will be fairly treated and their funds will be segregated at South African banks, which is not something a lot of other brokers do. We're also pleased that HFM offers negative balance protection, so traders cannot lose more than their initial deposit. Another reason we like HFM for South African traders is that it offers fast and free deposits and withdrawals in South African rands from local South African banks, including FNB, Standard Bank, Capitec, and African Bank, among others. And because accounts are denominated in rands, traders won't have to pay currency conversion fees on deposits or withdrawals, which is a huge advantage and a unique selling point of this broker. And HFM has instant deposits and 2-day withdrawals with no extra charges, which is something not many other brokers do. And this is great for traders who want to deposit their funds as cheaply and as fast as possible. We also liked that 3 of HFM's 4 accounts have the option of using Rand as the trading currency, but our favorite account is the micro account, which is a beginner-friendly account with a 70 Rand minimum deposit, and it has fees of only 1 pip on the Euro USD. And what makes this account such a good account for beginners is that it is a low-risk account that you can trade in micro lots or smaller trade sizes. But the one downside to this account is that the maximum trade size is limited to 7 lots. More experienced traders, on the other hand, may prefer the zero spread account, which has spreads that start at 0 pips on the Euro USD in exchange for a commission of only 80 Rand, which is extremely low. But this account has a minimum deposit of 2,800 Rand. However, traders can trade a maximum trade size of 60 standard lots per position, which is much bigger than that on the micro account. HFM also has a copy trading account for traders who lack the experience or time to trade. It is known as the HF copy account. Followers can open an account with a minimum deposit of $100, and strategy providers can have to put down a minimum deposit of $300. HFM also has an excellent range of financial instruments to trade. It has cryptocurrencies, 19 cryptocurrencies at 50 to 1 leverage. It has 950 direct market access stocks, which is something that not many other brokers offer. And it has stocks listed on the JSE, which is a bonus for South African traders. Like many other brokers, MT4 and MT5 are available with a range of plugins, including Premier Trader tools, Auto Chartist, and VPS services. It also recently upgraded its mobile app, which we really liked because it is now highly customizable. Traders can change their chart types, appearance, and trading settings, and they can decide whether they want to place an order in amounts, lots, or units. Another big standout for us is HFM's educational and research materials. They stand head and shoulders above other brokers. It has a phenomenal in-house research team that creates new content by the hour, and its education is available in many different formats, including videos, podcasts, ebooks, and various courses. In terms of customer support, we were very impressed. It leads the pack. It has a local South African team that is client-focused and ready to help with any technical or account queries. We found the live chat agents were responsive, very polite and knowledgeable, which is something you don't find at other brokers. It also has a local South African number that you can phone, and again, the agents are extremely responsive and helpful. So overall, it is clear that we really like HFM. We think they cater well to South African traders of all experience levels, and they have some of the best education and market analysis resources in the industry, and they have a range of excellent trading tools and platforms. We think particularly for beginner traders who are starting out, they'll find HFM a very welcoming environment. If you have any questions about our review or would like to know more about HFM or any other broker, please feel free to contact us. The link will be provided below.